Hi kitties, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Sara Irani, and if you want to join #KDV, you just need to subscribe down below, click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. So hi my cuties, what is up and welcome. So as you guys know by the title, I'm gonna do 24 hours. I only eat 24 hours ramen. So yeah, so this video is suggested by Trendy Unboxing. So shout out to them. So yeah, I don't know आज कैसी हालत होने वाली है because 24 hours ramen, oh my god, I love ramen, don't get me wrong, but मैंने कभी 24 hours नहीं खाया है and I know मेरा पेट बहुत दर्द देने वाला है. So ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं करते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. So for breakfast I am thinking to have some kimchi ramen because it's like a noodle soup based ramen. So बहुत अच्छा रहेगा breakfast के लिए, but बहुत heavy भी होगा. बट क्या ही कर सकते हैं, अब सारे रामेन तो हैवी होने वाले हैं. सो yeah, we will start with our kimchi ramen. I'll show you the ramen and yeah. So for breakfast I'm gonna have this kimchi ramen and it's from Nongshim. I love this ramen. A lot of you might know this. Yeah, I love this ramen, so I'm gonna have it because it's like a noodle based soup, so it's a little bit light, not on the heavier side, I guess. So yeah, let's go and make it. I am so sad that I don't have green onions at my house. So I have to have like this ऐसे ही. It's good ऐसे ही, but the green onion जब अलग से डालते हो ना तो एक अच्छा सा एक crunch आ जाता है ना, अच्छे से एक flavor आ जाता है. But I don't have it right now, so I have to only do what I have. So I have nothing at home, by the way. So हम next ramen में green onions डालेंगे, but अभी के लिए we'll have it ऐसे ही because it's breakfast. So मेहनत नहीं करनी चाहिए. So my breakfast is ready and I'm gonna have my breakfast right now. This is my ramen and yeah, I showed you guys, so now I'll have it. Yeah. So I'm done with my breakfast and आधा मैंने मेरी छोटी बहन को दे दिया because I was not able to finish everything because throughout the day मेरे को बहुत कुछ खाना है. So I thought of like sharing, जबकि मैं ramen share नहीं करती, but फिर भी so yeah. So now let's meet when we have our lunch. Hi kitties, so it's currently 2:15. It's currently 2:15 and I look so tired. Oh my god, I'm so greasy, but it's summer, what do you even expect? So it's lunchtime, I mean it's past lunchtime, but I was so not hungry, but I need to have my lunch, so I am gonna have the original Samyang ramen because ramen फॉर 24 आवर्स में मैं सामयांग का ओरिजिनल नहीं खाऊंगी तो ये रामेन चैलेंज इनकम्प्लीट रह जाएगा बिकॉज दैट्स माई फेवरेट रामेन फ्रॉम सामयांग. एंड या, लेट्स मेक इट. and I'll add some side dishes to this also, because सुबह में मैंने सिर्फ plain मैगी नहीं, plain ramen खाया था, which was the Nongshim kimchi ramen. So आज हम इसमें कुछ add-ons डालेंगे, but we'll not experiment anything, but हम side dishes डालेंगे. So yeah, let's just make it. Hi cutie, so my lunch is ready. My samyang noodles with some dumplings and one fried egg is ready, and I've sprinkled some green onions because it's necessary too, because it tastes more nice. So yeah, this is my lunch and now I'm gonna have it. Hi cutie, so it's currently 6:15, so it's snack time. और snack के लिए मैंने सोचा था, मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं क्या खाऊँ एंड स्टफ, एंड मैं थोड़ी सी रेडी हुई हूँ तुम लोग के लिए. या थोड़ी सी सच्ची में मैंने सिर्फ लिपस्टिक लगाई हूँ, एंड लिपस्टिक का थोड़ा रहेगा तो वो चीक्स पे लगा दी हूँ. ओके, यू डिडंट आस्क फॉर दैट, सॉरी. तो आई वाज लाइक थिंकिंग कि मैं लाइक स्नैक्स में क्या खा सकती हूँ, बिकॉज स्नैक्स थोड़ा सा लाइटिश होना चाहिए, राइट. सो फिर मेरे को याद आया कि मैंने ये लाया था बहुत टाइम पहले, एंड आई वांटेड टू ट्राई दिस बिकॉज बहुत लोग ये ऐसे ट्राई कर रहे थे, एंड फॉरेनर्स तक ट्राई कर रहे थे. सो आई वांटेड टू ट्राई दिस, एंड which is YY. It's like you have to like break it, and उसका सीजनिंग डालने का, मिक्स करने का, ऐसे ही खाने का. You don't have to make it like जैसे बनाते वैसे नहीं बनाना है. बट इसमें मैंने पीछे इंस्ट्रक्शंस रीड किया. मैंने कभी YY ट्राई नहीं किया, ओके, इन माई होल लाइफ. तो इसमें 3 तरीके से अपन बना सकते हैं, विच इज़ मंच इट, सूप इट और लंच इट. सो वी आर गोना मंच इट. सो हम आज ट्राई करने वाले हैं YY फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. इट इज़ द वेज मसाला फ्लेवर्ड इंस्टेंट नूडल्स. हाई, आई एम सॉरी फॉर बैड लाइटिंग. इज दिस लाइटिंग बैड? रुक जाओ. ये थोड़ी सी बेटर है, राइट? आई डोंट नो, बट या जस्ट लेट्स जस्ट डू इट. We'll just try. So I have a bowl right here, and I have the YY. Now I'll crush it, and then I'll add this into the bowl, and then I'll add the seasonings and stuff. Oh, it smells already. Yeah, I mean it's cooked. It's like reddish. आपने कभी खाया है क्या YY? I'll add this in my bowl right now. अबे इसमें सीजनिंग्स बहुत सारी है. ओके वेट, ऐड आई नीड टू ब्रिंग स्पून बिकॉज ख़राब हो जाएगा. I'll not taste it right now. So इसमें है chili powder and onion flavored oil and taste enhancer. Should I add the onion? I mean they told to like add seasoning, तो अब सभी डाल देते हैं. देखते हैं. I'll just bring the spoon. So तब तक we'll add the seasoning जब तक मेरा spoon आता है. So we'll add the seasonings पहले. पहले I'm thinking to add like the onion flavored oil and then the taste enhancer and the chili powder. Let's see क्या होता है. I don't know. I don't have any clue. Okay, so we have added the chili powder and everything. Now we'll just mix it. I'll just taste it. So it's looking like this. So we'll just taste it. It's actually very nice. It's a little bit salty, but it's very nice. It is very different. Like ऐसे taste करेगा वो पता नहीं था, but this is a nice snack, so I'll just snack on this and we'll meet when we'll do our dinner. So yeah, bye. Hi cutie. So it's currently 9:05 and for dinner I am gonna have Angry Japaguri. I have reviewed this on my channel, link in the description box below. So I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna add some side dishes and stuff, and yeah, so this is my dinner. Okay, so my ramen is ready and I'm gonna have it right now because I'm hungry a little bit, so I'm gonna have it right now. Yeah. So why I'm having japaguri is because I love the miniatures in it. Like it's a fish cake, I'm guessing कि मतलब I feel this is like a fish cake. If you have checked my review or if you had my had chapaguri, you will know this is the ramen combined. Just check my review on this, and because it looks so beautiful, it's like jajangmyeon only but a little different. Like the taste is a lot different than jajangmyeon. I have added fried egg because I love fried eggs with my ramen, and some chicken. I have like it was chicken meatballs, but I was like I don't want to like add something round chicken. I don't know what was in my mind, so I thought of cutting it SR. So I cut it aisa hi, and then I'm gonna eat this first because it's looking cute. I mean it's crispy and stuff, so yeah. Very yummy. Now I'm gonna have my dinner, and yeah. cuties, it's the next day and the challenge is over. I am still in the same clothes because I just woke up. Yes, I woke up very late today. It's literally 11:30 right now and मैंने start किया था I guess 11 o'clock or something. So yeah, please don't mind my hair and stuff, but the challenge is over and I'm happy. This challenge was very easy to be honest, but I'll say that कि हाँ मैं बाहर जाके कुछ ramen नहीं try करी because the COVID cases are like going high, so I don't want to go anywhere, so please don't mind that. But I tried my best to show you guys some varieties in the ramen. So I hope you like this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos, and please take care of yourself. I love you guys so much and please subscribe करना 2K के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा कम बाकी है, so please 2K करा दो and yeah, I love you guys.